Hi, so this question is the number of employees which report to each employee. All right, anyway, so let's look at this. So what you need to do is you want to find out um, who report whom, right? So again, who has at least one other employee reporting to them, and you want to return IDs and then all the manager name. So in this table, employee 9, it report to nobody. So for employee 6, it report to 9. For employee 4, this guy report to 9. So I can tell 9 is the manager for 6 and 4, right? And 2 does not report to anyone. But since there's no record that report to 2, so you don't need to return this one. And then this is going to be 9 is a manager name, and how many people you report is going to be 2, and the average age is going to be what? This one, right? So um yeah, that's pretty straightforward. So let's see, select from. So I'm going to just write down the key points. So what are the table? Employee table. And I'm going to join the employee table, but in this time I'm going to say manager. And then where do I compare? So employee dot report to is equal to manager dot ID, right? And then now we get a mapping, right? So again, this can be multiple records, so we want to group by something, right? But what is the something? Something is going to be the ID for this one, and then it has to be what? Manager employee ID, right? So group by 1. Do I need to order by? Yeah, order by 1. So 1 represents the first column, so it's going to be this guy. So the name is going to be manager dot name, and then the report count is going to be the sum of the total count, so it's going to be count, and then it's going to be employee dot report to, and then I have another one. It's going to be the age, and it has to be the average, right? So is there a 2 decimal place? Oh no, I'll just say run. Run the average. It's gonna be the employee.age, right? So that's it. Let me see. Test the employee. Oh, forgot S. Cool. So that's it. Trying to see, can I do this? Oh no. Yeah, it has to be, you want to run up, right? So 38.5 has to run to 39. So it has to run all the way up. So there is a solution. All right, see you later. Bye.